Welcome to JH. Dodo was a compact iOS web view application favored for its sleek, minimalist design. It essentially eliminated the typical browser distractions, removing all bars and tabs to focus solely on the content you wanted. This tool was incredibly light, opened quickly, and included essential features like SSL security and a shortcut to open pages in Safari. Users generally appreciated its straightforward nature, leading to positive feedback. While some utilized it for watching movies or anime, others found it inconsistent for media playback. Like many WebView apps, it occasionally struggled with Wi-Fi connectivity or specific website layouts. The major drawback is that it has been removed from the App Store. Consequently, new users cannot download it, and existing users won't receive further updates or bug fixes. This makes it difficult to suggest for long-term use. Ultimately, it was a useful utility during its run. It remains functional if it's already on your device, but it isn't a dependable option anymore. If you want a similar distraction-free browsing experience, you should search for active mini browser alternatives that still receive support.